Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. It is time for some delicious hot sandwiches today with a delicious homemade dressing inside. Let's get started. First up, I'm just going to make my quick dressing. In a bowl, I already have some chopped red onions, some chopped parsley, and some mayonnaise. Then in with some sour cream, salt, and pepper, and stir it well around until you have a yummy dressing. On a baking sheet with some parchment paper on, I'm going to add on some sliders or some deliciously soft buns. Then I'm going to brush them all with some melted butter. And then on the bottom piece of my buns, I'm going to add on some cold cuts of chicken. You decide how much meat you want on there. I just have 3 pieces on each. Then on with some cheddar cheese to all of my buns. My oven is already at 180 degrees C convection oven, or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. These bad boys are ready to be baked in the oven for around 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is nice and melted and a bit golden on the edges. I have also prepared some red onion slices and some lettuce, and all I have to do now is just to serve these up with some dressing, salad, onion, and some more dressing on top, and then the top on, and after that these guys are ready to be served. That is so delicious. Wow, that is so good, guys. Yes, a really nice hot sandwich. Give it a go. You really won't regret it, especially with that homemade dressing inside. So delicious. Give it a go. All ingredients are down below. Don't forget to subscribe here so don't miss out on any videos. Bye!